So you need a terminal emulator for Mac. Alacritty or Iterm2, both are free, both are fast. I tested both for 3 months. Here's which one you should actually use. Let's start with Alacritty. It's completely free and open source under Apache license. Claims to be the fastest terminal emulator in existence. Uses GPU acceleration with OpenGL for rendering. Startup is instant, milliseconds. In my testing, it handles heavy logs and fast redraws better than anything else. But here's the catch. Alacritty is intentionally minimal. No tabs, no split panes, no GUI menus on macOS. All customization happens through a YAML config file. You edit text, no clicking preferences. If you want tabs or splits, you need to use Tmux separately. It's cross-platform, works on macOS, Linux, Windows, and BSD. Perfect for developers who want pure speed, love config files, and already use Tmux. If you're a minimalist who values performance over features, Alacritty is your pick. Now Iterm2, also completely free and open source under GPLv2 license, macOS only. Since version 3.2, it uses Apple's Metal framework for GPU rendering, so it's fast too. Just slightly behind Alacritty, but Iterm2 is feature-packed. Split panes built-in, tabs, hotkey windows, instant replay that lets you rewind terminal sessions, autocomplete built-in search, clipboard manager, Python API for scripting, full Tmux integration, Apple script support. All customization happens through GUI preferences. Click and change colors, fonts, transparency, key bindings, everything. The Slant community ranks Iterm2 #1 for Mac terminals. It's the most popular choice because it just works. Extensive documentation, active community. If you want everything built in without extra setup, Iterm2 wins. My honest take, use Iterm2 if you want a feature-rich, easy-to-use terminal with everything built in. Use Alacritty if you prioritize raw speed, minimalism, and already use Tmux. If you're unsure, start with Iterm2. It's ranked #1 for a reason. If you need the absolute fastest performance or cross-platform compatibility, go Alacritty. Both are free. Test both. You can't lose. Drop a comment, which one do you use? Like and subscribe for tech comparisons. Thanks for watching.